rated at 10.
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for Long Island Sound west of New Haven CTPORT Jefferson, New York, until 5:45 p.m. At 4:14 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a line of strong thunderstorms, capable of producing winds to 40 knots, located along a line extending from 8 nautical miles southwest of New York Harbor to near Upper New York Harbor, moving northeast at 30 knots. Strong thunderstorms will be near Little Neck Bay and Saddle Rock around 4:55 p.m. Execution Rocks, Manhasset Bay and Captain Harbor around 5 p.m. Hempstead Harbor and Mamaroneck Harbor around 5:05 p.m. Oyster Bay Harbor around 5:20 p.m. Cold Spring Harbor and Stamford Harbor around 5:25 p.m. Huntington Bay and Long Neck Point around 5:30 p.m. Norwalk Islands and Benfield Reef around 5:40 p.m. Smithtown Bay and mouth of the Housatonic River around 5:45 p.m. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following marine location: Long Island Sound west of New Haven, Connecticut to Port Jefferson, New York. The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for New York Harbor, Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles. South Shore base from Jones Inlet through Shinnecock Bay. Waters from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet out 20 to 40 nautical miles until 5:45 p.m. At 4:15 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a line of strong thunderstorms, capable of producing winds to 40 knots, located along a line extending from near Upper New York Harbor to 18 nautical miles west of Silverton, moving east at 20 knots. Strong thunderstorms will be near Upper New York Harbor and the Verrazano Narrows around 4:30 p.m. Lower New York Harbor around 4:35 p.m. Rockaway Inlet around 4:50 p.m. Jamaica Bay around 5 p.m. Jones Inlet around 5:35 p.m. Fire Island Inlet around 5:45 p.m. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. for the following marine locations: New York Harbor, Long Island South Shore base from Jones Inlet to Shinnecock Bay, New York, Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles, and waters from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York from 20 to 40 nautical miles. Here is the forecast for the KWO 35 listening area.